Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how to connect mobile screen to laptop and share screen on laptop windows. So for that, you need to install an app both in your laptop PC or in your Android or iOS device. So for that, you need to just go to Play Store or App Store in your device, and in the top search bar, search for Appware Mirror. You need to install this app both in your laptop PC and your Android device. I have already installed it. Now I'm going to open it. After entering this app, you need to just give some permissions. Click on agree, and here you can see local cast. Just click on it. You can connect your Android to laptop through your Wi-Fi, or you can connect it with a USB. Click the top right USB. To connect USB with your laptop, you need to enable developer options on your phone, and after you have enabled it, you need to just turn on the USB debugging option, and on your laptop you need to go to the Appware Mirror to build a connection, and after that you will be able to share screen on your mobile to PC. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.